Rice cleaning. It tastes good. It tastes better than its appearance, I have to say. Baked chicken. I like to caramelize it and allow the skin to get a little crispy. Just a tad bit. And it's still juicy. You see that? Take a look at that. Yeah. Still very moist. Alrighty. The cornbread is a little warm on top, but yet it's still nice and moist internally. Thank God. Thank God. There go the rice. I do not season my rice with salt because I rinse it after it's done. And primarily, I usually don't add any type of seasoning once I place it back into the pot, but just now I did. I added a little bit of adobo, just a tad bit. That's my Jenny's plate. My baby's plate. I have to shred her meat for her in order for her to maneuver her fingers or her fork or her spoon for that matter. All right, be blessed.